So here's how you set up a visual C# WinForm project without all the gunk. First, let me show you what happens if you do. Simply do a new project. What the heck? And you pick Windows Form Application. I'll show you all the stuff that you get. It's a bunch of nonsense. That's what we're here to solve. Okay, notice we have a new solution, a new project, 2 source files, references, and properties. Actually, there's more than 2 source files, because if I open this up, I see I have this designer nonsense. Take a look at that. It's a bunch of gobbledygook. Makes me wonder if all this initialization is necessary. For example, program.cs. If this is all stuff that should be done every app, why not put it in the library itself? In other words, why not put it in the applications constructor? Okay, that's the gunk you get. We want to get rid of. We're going to get rid of all of this. We're going to get rid of this namespace nonsense. We're going to get rid of all these stupid looking comments, this nonsense that we never need, this nonsense that we never need, and so on. So let me close this one. Discard changes. And this time we'll do new project. I'm not sure what's happening here. New. There it goes. What's going on here? I see what happened. New project, empty project. Now we don't get diddly. We have references, but it's empty. We're going to have to add a few. First thing we'll do is we'll add a source file. Now, there's so many ways to skin this cat. All these types of files, class, I typically just say code file. I don't like all the templated nonsense. So we have our source file. And we'll need system. Of course, we don't need these, but I'd like to have system.windows.forms. Why didn't it? That's interesting. Oh, that's right. First thing we want to do is add a reference. To the forms library. Basically links to the forms library. I need to change some settings here. Let's see. System. Go down here to system.windows.forms. Pick that. We have that. And so I can say using system.windows.forms. Make our class. So actually, let's make our main. This is our main program. static, no arguments or anything. Just make a main like that, and then we'll make our test form, which inherits from form, of course. And what should we do? Let's just put a button on it. Let's set its title. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting. We try building. Okay, believe it or not, we gotta have system reference. This dialogue stuns me every time. Did you ever try to use this? Okay, we can build